look at stuff, see if anything new, see if anyone had liked, retweeted, commented on any of my tweets. I will leave a link in the description to my account. But I was going through Twitter and I stumbled upon this. So this was a tweet from back in. This is a tweet this year on the 7th of January. And as you can see, it has 2 likes. I like my own thing because I can. But as you can see, right here, it says someone had replied on this tweet. And I had already looked into this. The person that replied to this tweet was not someone I was expecting. If we tap here, see, I had tweeted this, I had replied this to other people, including the one and only Sam Streams. And it was Sam who had replied on my tweet. And this was about stuff that I had pulled off of wheels that were made of plastic. Plastic wheels, I had pulled that off. And this picture doesn't look that big, but it's actually very, very big. Very big clump of just grime that came off my track. And also, all of my wheels are made of plastic. So, that would be why. But he evidently had come up, he knows about this and seeing what he had replied with. So, it's not common, it's not rare, it's very common. So, I was also not expecting the one Sam's Trains to reply to my to my tweet. Also, I do not feel good, so if my voice sounds off, that would be why. And why I'm also sniffling. But yeah, Sam's Trains replied this to my tweet, and as you can see, I liked it because at least I'm not the only one that knows about this. Also, if anyone is familiar with S&T Mainline, there you go. There's his Twitter account. There's his Twitter account for you. Go follow him. He's amazing. He's amazing. I'm still trying to reach him about getting some of my engines repaired. I have 2 that need repaired. But I just wanted to tell you guys about what I had found. And it was just unbelievable. I've had him comment on YouTube. I make comments to his videos on YouTube, and then I sit there and I go to YouTube, leave comments, and he comments back, but never ever had him make a comment on one of my tweets on Twitter. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description to this below. And that's basically all I wanted to tell you. I also currently have 2 polls polls going on. This would be the first one. And if I can find it, this is the second one. I want you guys to click on these, vote, and I want to know what you guys think. Should I do a face reveal? And the other one was, is it weird to name a model train? Which I don't think it is. It's normal for me, but like I said, I want to know what you guys think. Either come to my Twitter, vote, leave this video a thumbs up, slap the notification bell, hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.